I've already turned it on, it's come on. It took about a few seconds, not much to be fair. So this is what comes up and pops up. So internet connection is required, which is fine. We will connect in a second. We will accept this, and we're on this page here. Now, I have not registered anything as of yet. I haven't done anything. This is just the beginning of this. These are the vehicles it covers. So it's quite a fair amount. Obviously you can go into USA, narrow it down, go into the European, to the Asia, or you can go into all as we were already in. Okay, that's fine. And going on to home page, that is home page by looks of it, whatever that is. So this is another one. Yep, that's a home page there, which is different to the one previous. So that's where it brings up all the diagnostics and systems. So now that I've connected to the internet, it's brought me onto this. Now you can sign in. I'm going to create an Autel ID, so email address, which I'm going to input, and then I'm going to move on to the next stage. Here we are now. We'll register this, and okay, so it should now, from today onwards, it should have the 2-year warranty on there, and we can find out with this. I think we can find out this way, where it shall tell us you've got X amount of days left. So here it says 365 days. However, that's incorrect. It should be 2025 when it should end. But there is something with this. I think I can't remember exactly what you have to do, but I will certainly update you on that as well. That should move on to 2 years rather than 1 year. But we'll certainly update all these and then move on to the other ones one by one.